Okay guys, so let's look at the trade opportunities today. That is August 16th. You can see I've taken two trades. You can see one on the call side and other one on the put side, and I made a profit of 2,40,000. I've taken a lot of scalping trades. So you'll be seeing that the charges is little higher and the orders is also higher. But considering the profit I have made, I'm okay with the charges that I'm going to pay. Let's look at the trade opportunities. You can easily predict where I would have taken the trade if you're watching my videos. So you can see there is a good gap down, okay? And we are not going to chase this rally on the downside after this huge gap down of around 360 points. So we'll be waiting for an up move. So this is the first 5-minute candle and this is the opening range. You can see this first candle. This is nothing but the opening range only. So once we get this candle here, okay, and we can get a kind of W formation, a small W formation. So we'll be going for a small call trade because again it is coming today's low and getting a bullish candle, a green candle. So it's like last day also it was like a gap down, then there was a good move and the momentum is almost lost after the two candles, and slowly they have taken it up. So the same way we can try for a call trade here because there's a huge gap down and the low of the first 5-minute candle is not broken and we got a good candle here. So we can try for a up move, a call trade till 20 EMA. Or if we have not taken this call trade, it's perfect. Your view is correct that you want to go on the put side only because it's a gap down and you're looking for a down move and you will be trading once it comes to the day's high. So this is the good level. More than day's high, we'll be looking for the 20 EMA. So first retracement that you're getting to 20 EMA, especially when you see this kind of sloping, 20, 50, 100, 200, perfect railway track pattern. Perfect sloping and the trend is also down. Everything is clear. So when you get this retracement for the first time, this is where you should be. Ignore all these trades. You should be getting a put trade here. Without any doubt, you should be trying for a put trade. Whether it is scalping or momentum trade or you're holding for some time. It's up to you. It's up to your trading style. Okay. So it could be a scalping trade. It could be a trade where you are looking for some more points. It's up to you, the way you're handling the trade. But if you see yesterday, if you see this, there was a good move and then again a railway track pattern came to 20 MA. We got a very good scalping opportunity, a small trade. So today also, some of you might have taken the scalping trade. Some of you might be in a position to run this trade till this levels, okay? Or till you get a mother candle, a good candle. So it's up to your trading style. But one thing is sure, when you see this kind of railway track pattern, 20, 50, 100, 200, 20, 50, 100, 200 in this style with the perfect sloping, then you can expect a round of rejection. Once it comes to 20 MA, it could be a one candle, it could be two candle, it could be a big mother candle also. So it's always better for you to wait for one big candle, one mother candle once you get this kind of trade. So you might be booking a profit somewhere here. Okay, I'll show you the order book and I'll explain where I have taken the trades also. And then 20 MA, I won't give that much importance to 50 MA the way I gave to 20 MA when I get this kind of trend. So once 20 MA is broken with this good candle, then I'm not looking on the put side for some time. I'll be waiting for my next most important indicator, which is nothing but your Camarilla S3 and R3. You can see here R3 is somewhere here, which is yesterday's side. This is going to be very powerful, but S3 is here. So I'll be looking for a trade around this level. So what is this? I should be taking a trade here. So S3 rejection trade I should have taken. I must have taken because that's my setup and I should be following my setup, and I'll show you the order also. Apart from that, you can see there is a super trend trade which is possible here. Okay, once this pivot is broken, R1 is broken on the upside, when the day's high is broken, okay, there is a rejection here. But here they have broken day's high and then super trend is giving us the support and it went till S3 level. So there is a possible call trade here, okay. And put trade available here from S3 level, which is Camarilla. Very important level for me. And then again another put trade is available Once this candle perfectly touching this S3 and giving a perfect doji candle. So I would be considering this as the best trading opportunity compared to this. And there should be a target. Your target should be 20 MA. So suppose if you're taken a trade here and your target could be at least 20 MA. That means this candle, this mother candle we can capture. Again, when you have taken this trade, you can capture at least this level. So this is how you'll be looking for a trade. So these two are the next two trade opportunities. Again, look at this candle giving a good rejection from S3. Just because this is red line, I always get confused with R3. Okay. So here we got a Cambrella pivot trade. We got another Cambrella pivot trade. We got another Cambrella pivot trade. So look at the timing. You can see the order book. I would have definitely taken this. So look at this timing. 13, 2013, 17 to 13, 20. So let me go with this, my timing, orders. Let's go to the orders. So many orders are there, guys. I have taken a lot of scalping trades today. So today was a tough day for many people. I know many of you might have made loss. So 13, 19, 13, 20 level, right? So that means 120. Yeah, somewhere here. I just, yes, yeah. You can see here 1319 and I keep buying because this is where it is coming to 1319. Can you see here the timing? 1319, okay. So I kept punching orders here. Why? Because this is one of my favorite indicators. So I don't have anything to think twice. So that's a reason why I kept punching the orders. And you can see here the timing 1319. So this candle, look at this big candle. It's a big bullish candle, but still, why I'm confidently entering on a put trade here? Just because of my conviction on my setup. Remember these guys, if you mastered something, if you have understood the behavior of some indicators, then you don't want to think twice. Even if you're getting this kind of candle, it is not going to, make you think twice. Immediately, or otherwise, people may wait for it. But what I did, I took the trade here. Can you see here? I got an entry from 175. This is 175, 175, 166. Also, it went. And that means when the price is going up, once it reached here, I was buying this. This is where 175. Once it came here, it is around 166. So how much point I am getting? Then I am selling this at 191. So I started selling at 183, then 187. This is my style. I keep exiting in different lots. Okay. So 186, 185, 191 and then 190. And then I am entering into C immediately. See, 128 I am exiting and 129 I am entering C. Why? Because you will be seeing a 20 moving average. Okay. So here is where I'm going to get a support. So I'm now looking for a support trade from this 20 moving average. So I booked my target somewhere here and I'm looking for a support trade. And then here I talked about VWAP. Okay, VWAP is coming here. So I'll definitely taking a trade here on the call side. But before that, this put trade, what is the time? 2:27. Now can you see the time? This is again Cambrella S3 level. Very good rejection candle. This one, very good rejection candle. So look at the timing here. At the down, which is 227. Let's go to the order book. 227 means 1427. So let's look at that. In between, lot of scalping. But I'm talking about the main indicators that I'm using. Okay. That's what I recommend to my genuine followers. Not all the trades, but certain trades like the one which I told you, like my favorite indicators, mainly 200 EMA is one of my best indicators. So today there is no trade at 200 EMA as the price did not come. Next is my VWAP. Okay, VWAP level. So this you will be seeing definitely a VWAP trade and then R3, S3. So you will be seeing 3 supports. See, this is where R3, S3 came. So you will be seeing another 3 trades. I'll show you. Okay, so I was talking about this 227. Can you see again I'm buying at 170? Whatever is possible I'm buying. 170, 171, 170 is where I'm buying and then I'm exiting at 183. I added back at 182 and then 193 also I'm getting. 194 also I'm getting. Okay, so this is a trade which is giving me, can you see this? In a flash, in just 10 minutes, I'm just holding for 10 minutes only, but we are getting some easy 23 points. Again, from which level? This level, Camarilla S3 level. Look at the timing, 2:25, 2:27. So look at the timing here, 2:27. Okay, now let me show you the VWAP trade I have taken. So this is a VWAP, this is the candle, this candle. So again we are getting a beautiful red candle, but still I'm taking a call trade because I'm expecting a support here. I got a bullish candle, but I'm taking a put trade. See this. This is a huge candle, one of the biggest candles of the day apart from this first candle, right? This is the biggest of the candles, which is bullish candle, but I'm taking a put trade because I have the confidence in my setup. Guys, lot of practice is required. It's not that blindly I'm taking. I've taken here, I've taken here, I've taken here. So out of these three, today all the three are winning. It's not the case every time. See, if you take 10 trades, 8 you will win. So sum of all the probability should be in your favor. That's how it is. It's probability. So I've shown you this trade already, 121. I've shown you this trade also. Now let me show you the VWAP trade. What is the time? 250 to 54 time. Okay, that means 20, 14, 54. Yeah, this is the trade. Can you see this again? Is there anything which I am leaving? Okay, here buying starting at 190, which is slightly higher price. Okay, 190 and last addition is at 175. So this much I'm buying at 256 level, which is my VWAP level. Okay, by the time it is coming down, I was adding from here. Yeah, okay, what happened is, yes, you can see here I've added from super trend onwards. Okay, super trend I've added this line because this was the previous day's high which was marked, and then final addition is at VWAP level. So this is the range that I was looking for. So that's why from 190 I am adding from 190. Okay, and then it went till 175. Now let's see the price at which I am selling. 195, 197, 199, 199, like that I'm selling. And then I'm shifting to PE again. Okay, what is that PE trade? That will be again interesting. That will be... Okay, so this is the CE trade that I have taken, and PE will be this one. This is again Camarilla. So look at this beauty, guys. What is this? 3 o'clock, right? So this is again a bullish candle. So here again I've shown you this is a bullish candle. I've taken a put trade. So here there is a perfect rejection candle. So rejection candle, so I have taken a put trade. But this is a bullish candle and I have taken a put trade. This is also a bullish candle and I am taking a put trade. I'll show you the trade here. This is the time 3:10. Okay. This is the time 3:1. Okay. So you can see here 3:1 and I started entering at 168 and 170. These are my entry. I started selling at 179, 178, 183. So these are my exits. Okay. So I hope you understood that. I've taken a trade here. I've taken a trade here. I've taken a trade here. That's my favorite setup. I've taken a trade at VWAP, which is my favorite setup. I've taken a trade at 20 MA, which is again my important setup. So these are my trades for the day. And you can see finally the profit is 2,40,000. Okay, a lot of trades have been taken, I know that, but still these are scalping trades. And see, the thing that you need to follow is all your setup. At the end of the day, you should be in positive. And whether you are getting 24,000 or 2,40,000, I'm completely, not focusing on the amount that I'm getting here. I'm only trying to take all possible trades with a proper risk management. If the trade is going against me, I'll have to exit immediately. So the outcome will be, it will be either this, or it can be 1/10th of this, or it can be 5 lakh also. So even if it is 24,000, I'm okay because I'll be getting the charges that I'm supposed to pay. Okay. So it is a very good, okay, let's look at the charges. It will be slightly high. It will come around 30,000 today. But out of this 2,40,000 profit, paying charge of 30,000 is absolutely okay for me because I have taken a lot of trades. Normally, look at 33,000, which is slightly higher, where the charges are more at exchange turnover, and normally you will see I trade very less premium. On Mondays, I trade Fin Nifty to avoid, the charges, turnover charges. Tuesday, I trade Fin Nifty. Wednesday, Bank Nifty. But today, I traded slightly in the money. Tomorrow, I'll trade Bank Nifty. And Friday, Fin Nifty and Sensex. That's how I plan. But today, I paid a lot of charges. I know that. But if you see the previous videos, I pay very, very less charge. Considering it, this is very high today. So for that, I have a reason. Also, some of the trades I had to exit in stop loss, but I take stop loss if the trade is not working for me. So 20 MA, first time you should be taking a trade. Second time, if you take a trade, you have to take the stop loss immediately. So it's not safe to take second entry. So I have taken the stop loss also. First time we can try. Beginners, first time only, not the second time. Okay, second time you can try only if you're willing to take the stop loss. Sometimes it can give a very good move, but still the stop loss is there. Okay, otherwise you need to be in a position to take the stop loss. So some of you may be reluctant to take stop loss. If you have that kind of weakness, then only take first time trade, don't take the second time. So that's something which you need to keep in mind. Otherwise, it's pretty simple, guys, that it looks difficult for many of you. Maybe the move was very less, then it was boring. But still, if I was able to make 2,40,000, it's a good deal, right? So when others consider that there is no opportunity here, finding the opportunity is what matters for us. A lot of opportunities is there. Opportunity at Cambrilla S3. I have opportunity at Cambrilla S3. I have this opportunity at Cambrilla S3. And for a day, I just need one candle in my favor. In fact, but see here, I'm getting this much. Here, I'm getting this much. Here, I'm getting this much. But for me to make my living, I just need one candle in my favor a day. That's all what I'm looking for. But when market is rewarding me like this, even on a day like this, it's very good. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you got some knowledge from this. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys.